knocking at the door.
Let me help you.
Hit me on the rolling pin. I asked them what they wanted, and this is what they said.
Are you sure you locked the shed, Herbert? He wouldn't dream of coming on a night like this.
Check.
Well, I hope to bring you any more of his presents. These things from his travels. You know, I put this nasty little thing out just for you, Charles.
That's not a nasty little thing.
Mate.
That would be the captain. Behave yourself, Herbert.
Morris, it's good to see you. I never thought you'd make it on a night like this. Come in.
Not that bad.
This is the captain. Morris, my wife, and my son, Herbert.
How do you do?
Pleased to meet you both.
You must be frozen. Do you think a nice hot toddy would warm you up?
Well, I'll certainly give it a try.
Sure.
You, Morris. You were just a boy when you left here to travel. But look at you now. Look at what you know and what you've seen. You know, I thought you were daft when you went. But sometimes I wish I had gone with you.
No, you're better off where you are, Charles. Your family there, your home, a warm fire. I don't know, Charles. Sometimes I wish that I'd stayed put. Now I don't wish for anything anymore.
Come now, Mr. Morris. What's the harm in wishing?
Perhaps none for you, ma'am. I say it's no good wishing. Oh. You wanted to show that fate rules people's lives. That anyone who interfered with it could only meet with sorrow. Well, the spell gave 3 different wishes to 3... No. You hold it in your right hand like this. As you wish aloud.
Have you had your 3, sir?
Yeah,
And were they really granted?
they were.
Has anyone else wished, Morris?
The man I got it from. I don't know what his first 2 wishes were. But his 3rd was for death.
Why don't you let me have it?
No. It's caused its share of grief.
Then why do you keep it?
Don't know. Thought I'd sell it for them.
If you could 3 more wishes, would you take them?
No, Charles! Drop it, please! Let it burn!
How do you do it? Like this?
Now, look, Charles, I didn't give it to you. I threw it on the fire. And I won't be blamed if you keep it.
Like this.
Oh, it all sounds like Arabian Nights. Imagine a shudder just went down my back. Who wants supper?
Me for one, Mother.
Charles, at least wish for something sensible.
Come on, let's eat.
Night, Morris. Take care, Charles.
Well, we had our leg pulled tonight.
He is quite a storyteller, isn't he? Did you pay him something for it?
Next to nothing. He didn't want anything, but I made him take it. Nothing what it's worth, though. And he pressed me again to throw it away.
Father wished to be a great emperor, and then Mother wouldn't nag you anymore.
Oh! You know, I really don't know what to wish for, and that's a fact. Seems to me I have everything I want.
Well, you could pay off the mortgage on the house.
I wish for $500. moved. It twisted in my hand like a snake.
Oh, you must have thought that it moved, dear.
No, I didn't. It really moved in my hand.
I don't see any money anywhere. I bet I never will.
Oh, you imagined it, Charles.
It gave me a shock, I must say. Never mind, though.
And there's a strange little creature on the wardrobe just waiting to see what you do with it. Be here somewhere. I didn't find it under any of the hands. How about the laundry bin? Good morning, Mother.
Imagine how scared we all were. I suppose old sailors are always filled with tall tales. Wouldn't seem right if they weren't. Goodness, how could $500 hurt us, Father?
It could fall on his head from the sky. I've got to go. And after all, how could Ma and Megan's manufacturers survive without me? Huh? Oh, Father, don't spend it all before I get home.
Oh, go on with you, Herbert.
Morning, ma'am.
Oh, Mr. Reed, I was waiting for you. Thank you. I expect Herbert will be full of his teasing when he gets back from the factory.
Well, it did move in my hand. Now, that much I'll swear to.
I'm sure you just imagined it, dear. What with all of the... Oh, Charles?
Mr. and Mrs. White?
Yes?
I'm sorry the yard is such a mess. We haven't had a chance to clean up since the storm.
Of course, I understand. I was asked to call. I come from Ma and Megan's.
Something wrong with Herbert?
Now, don't jump to conclusions, Elizabeth. Let the man speak. I'm sure he hasn't brought us bad news.
I'm sorry.
Herbert's hurt.
Badly hurt. But he isn't in any pain.
Oh, thank God. Thank God. Thank...
He was caught in the machinery. I am sorry.
He was our only son.
The firm wishes me to convey their most sincere sympathy with you in your great loss. And I'm also to tell you that Ma and Megan's admits to no liability at this time, of course, but in consideration of your son's services, they do wish to present you with a certain sum as compensation.
How much?
$500.
Oh, no.
Come to bed, Mother. You'll catch cold standing there.
Think how cold he is there. The monkey's paw.
What?
You didn't destroy it, did you?
Oh, why?
Why didn't we think of it sooner? Go get it. I want it.
What do you want with it? Hasn't it caused us enough harm?
We have 2 more wishes to make. We'll make 1 more.
Wasn't one enough for you?
Go get it. We'll have our Herbert back again. Laugh again. We'll be happy again.
It was just a coincidence.
Go get it. Wish him alive again. You want him alive again, don't
He
you?
was mutilated, Elizabeth.
You want our Herbert back.
He went through the machinery.
Wish him alive again. I want my boy back again. Wish him alive again. Wish him alive. One with Charles.
I wish my son alive again. Come to bed, Mother. I'm going to get a new candle. Just a rat. I passed it on the stairs.
It's Herbert. Herbert.
What are you going to do?
Let me buy it. It's my boy. It's Herbert. I forgot it's 2 miles away.
Don't let it in. For God's sakes, don't let it in.
Are you afraid of your own son?
The paw. I wish my son were dead in the grave forever.